All right. I'm just now leaving the gym at Gold's Gym. I had a 45-minute workout with my personal trainer Muhammad again today. I'm keeping it up with this weight loss journey. Now over the weekend, I went down to Atlanta, Georgia for the Bronner Brothers show. And I'm from North Carolina, so I kind of cheated that weekend. I ate some fried food and a cheesecake that I knew I shouldn't have ate. But I did. But I still worked out. I still got in my workout. But now I'm back home motivated. I gotta keep going. I can't give up on losing this weight. And I appreciate the comments that I have down below about, you know, my weight loss journey and everybody telling me to keep going. I'm gonna keep going. So I'm gonna need you to motivate me and I motivate you. I may not jump on as often as I should, but I'm gonna try to jump on at least once or twice a week to blog my weight loss journey. And if I come up with anything else that I want to talk about, then I will. But I appreciate those who commented below, telling me to keep going strong. I cheated this weekend, but like I said, I'm gonna get it back on track. And I appreciate y'all.